Hello friends, welcome to the channel. What is the bare minimum requirement for creating a YouTube channel? You can put up this question in a different ways, like which camera do I need to start a YouTube channel? Which mic is the best for starting a YouTube channel? The most frequently asked question is what is the best vlogging setup, right? Two sentences. First thing is anything online is data. Second thing, to capture any data online, right? You A person can capture only by two ways. First is eyes, by watching, and second by hearing, that is sound. So basically you read a book or you see a video, anything is visual. Okay. Second thing is you hear a song, you hear a recipe, you hear a news, whatever you hear, it's basically a audio, right? Now what do you want to do? Suppose you are showing a Taj Mahal, right? And while showing this Taj Mahal, you have put a music from YouTube audio library, just to just to ensure that nobody gets bored. So in this video, your Taj Mahal is important, not the audio. In the second case, consider the Man Ki Baat by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Okay, in that case, when the when the channels broadcast this thing, what they do is they put visuals of Ganatantra Divas, Swatantrata Divas, uh, Hindustani Sabhyata, dance, cultural dance, and all, right? But the most important part in this is the audio that has been broadcasted from the radio section, radio transmission center. Okay, so and another part is like recipes and TV. You see TV channels, they nowadays broadcast on YouTube also, everything. So in that case, audio and video both are important, right? So what do you want to do? If you are a person who will be showing Taj Mahal without any information, just video, okay? So in that case, you will need a mobile or phone or camera that has minimum 5 megapixel. Trust me guys, all the videos that you have seen from the starting in my channel is with just 5 megapixel. The previously I had Nokia Lumia 520 Windows version, that was also 5 megapixel. Right now this one I'm shooting with, that is Samsung Galaxy J2 Core, is also a 5 megapixel selfie camera. Rear camera is 8 megapixel, but I am using the selfie camera of 5 megapixel. On top of that, the 5 megapixel selfie camera has three options for video recording, that is 480p, 720p and 1080p. You will be amazed to know that I am using 720p for recording all my videos. So you will need a minimum 5 megapixel camera if you are actually into showing things. Okay, now second thing, if you are up to talking more, something like Man Ki Baat or religious talks, okay, uh, in religious talks you will see they will display, on the display they will put a photograph of a god, and then they will keep talking behind, okay, motivational talks and all, where you need to listen more, right? So if you are talking more, you will need a microphone, definitely a good microphone. And if you are into something in which both you are showing something as well as you are giving information, for example, let's take the same example of Taj Mahal, wherein you are showing the Taj Mahal and saying about it from a book like Lonely Planet and all, you're reading it while showing it, then you will need both a good mic as well as a good mobile camera, okay? But basically 5 megapixel, you can see how it is. Now you will be amazed to know that I shoot 75 to 80% of my video without microphone. Right now I am shooting without a microphone. This is without a microphone. Second thing is which tripod. If you are a beginner, As a beginner, what I did was, this is my another phone. I just started my video like this, click, and I hold my camera like this, so that this part of the hand acts like a protector for the noise which is coming from behind and all, right? And I shoot like this, right? But in this, the condition is, right now the places where I shoot are generally quiet. If you are shooting in a noisy place, you will definitely require a shotgun mic. If you are in a home, you will require a omnidirectional mic. Your hand is your best tripod. Now, as a beginner, having said everything, I would suggest, do not buy anything for next 1 month. Keep a target of posting a video alternate day, every alternate day. After 1 month, you will be in the best place to analyze what do you want. So what I request is, instead of wasting money by listening to others, ये खरीद वो खरीद, ऐसा खरीद वैसा खरीद, ये टकाटक माँ कसम बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त चाहिए, और ये तो चाहिए ही चाहिए, इसके बगैर तू कुछ नहीं कर सकता है. Forget everything, leave them aside, just start with whatever you have. Within 1 month, you will come to know what exact is your requirement. Okay, so having said that, टेक केयर ऑफ़ योर सेल्फ. ईश्वर से प्रार्थना है कि हम सब का जीवन सुख और समृद्धि से भर जाए, बढ़ती रहे. ओके, एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर लिसनिंग टू दिस. लव यू गाइज. बाय बाय.